Hello, and welcome to ServiceNow's Low-Code Capability Deep Dive. In this 9-part series, we're going to take a look at the various aspects of the ServiceNow platform that empower creators of all skill levels with the ability to rapidly build high-quality, scalable, and easy-to-govern apps.
DevOps and the activities and rituals surrounding developing and deploying software is the topic of our next section. I will show how the ServiceNow platform supports developer collaboration and creativity while providing governance and structure. When working on an application, developers can invite others to collaborate with them. Low-code creators can use this form to request help from pro-coders or pull in resources with specific expertise, such as integrations, security, and user experience. Collaboration around code is also encouraged through source control. ServiceNow supports hosted and self-hosted Git repositories so that developers' work can be committed, merged, and versioned. Here, I have connected my expense application to a hosted GitHub repository. I can create a new branch, make code changes, and commit them. My organization's development process is to create a pull request when it's time to merge back, and have it peer-reviewed. Once the pull request has been merged, I can refresh the development environment to pick up the latest changes. Customers have choice of approach when deploying applications. ServiceNow provides an out-of-the-box deployment pipeline through App Engine Management Center, or AEMC for short. Deployments through AEMC are the recommended pathway for low-code applications, as AEMC integrates seamlessly with ATF, change management, CMDB, and our workflow and approvals engines. To deploy an application with AEMC, creators simply submit the application, and a request will be created for review. Once approved, the application makes its way through each instance in the pipeline, where automated and manual checks are performed. I'll go into AMC and pipelines in more detail in the platform governance and operations section of this video. We recognize that some customers have existing deployment processes or stringent regulatory or industry policies that may require a more pro-code approach. To serve these customers, ServiceNow provides CI/CD and source control APIs and marketplace plugins for all major deployment orchestration platforms, including Jenkins, GitLab, Azure DevOps, and GitHub Actions. Here is an example of a branch policy in Azure DevOps, which requires that all pull requests targeted for the main branch are validated before they can be merged. Industry standard YAML notation is used, along with the ServiceNow CI/CD ADO plugins, to run my application's ATF tests, validating that there are no errors before I merge. This pull request has been validated successfully and is ready to merge. New application versions can also be deployed through third-party platforms. In this release pipeline, an Azure DevOps Marketplace app for Sonar Cloud is being used to analyze the code in my ServiceNow application. Ungated, continuous deployment can be set up in a similar way by triggering a release from any number of lifecycle events, such as new versions, tags, or mergers. If an application requires rollback to a previous working version, this can be requested through the rollback API or manually in the application record. There are a number of options for building mobile apps on the ServiceNow platform. By leveraging ServiceNow Mobile Publishing, the existing ServiceNow Agent and Now Mobile applications can be branded and republished to the store under their own company's developer account. Developers can also build their own applications and integrate into the ServiceNow platform using the mobile SDK.
Thanks for watching, and join us for part 7 of our series as we explore platform governance and operations.